Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Are you tired of your shop room doing that? You put the handle in over and over, you even use the other side, and it just sits and spins. And eventually it'll rip out, okay? We've got a cure for that. This is a cheapy plastic one. You don't want this anyway. Even if you did keep it in here, that's gonna break off. Go to the hardware store and get yourself a fiberglass one or something durable. Okay, now you drill what I did. Stick it in here like you normally would. Okay. Bring her on in here, buddy. Then you drill and tackle that 1/4 20. And to locate that, all you got to do, what I did, was I located it right up against the bottom of the hole. I made this piece. All you need is, this is a 3/4 inch with a 1/4 inch hole through the center. Piece of angle iron out of your scrap bin and some holes for screws. You put that in there. Alright. What's going to happen here is this. Show you what I mean. This right here screws down into that broom handle that you've tapped 1/4 20. You need a piece of all thread, by the way. I'm trying to make this a very short video because people always gripe, oh, long drawn out video for nothing. Well, then they don't understand how to do it and they ask me 50 questions on how to do it. So this is how you do it. You need a 1/4 20 hole. You're going to want to get yourself some Loctite, I would think. I don't know that it's necessary with the system I built here, but never hurts. Alright. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to put her together on camera. A little bit of Loctite, maybe a whole lot. Either way. That Loctite down in there good, so this bolt doesn't turn in the handle. Basically the handle is encapsulated in there, and you can do this with a plastic handle as well. I mean plastic broom head as well. I just happen to have this old hickory one, and I wanted to make it work again, because for a wooden one they're quite expensive. Alright, next step, wait. I want that driven down a little bit further than it is, so most of this hardware I already had left over from other projects, but either way it's not going to cost you that much. The handle here costs you more than all that. This is all scrap metal right here. Alright, so we're going to drive that down. And on the other side, you can see why I'm driving it down. The other side will come out through the broom head, and you want enough coming out of there that you can get a nut and a washer on it. Oh, like so. Okay. Oops, drop my wrench, huh? Alright, then pull off that. Set a nut there. Now it does not want to come off. That only happens when you're filming, right? We'll get it. Okay, I'm going to drop below here. All this thread won't be mattering because it's going to be below that insert there. I think putting it together takes longer than actually making the pieces. I went on the lathe and did this piece right here. I just took a piece of scrap, turned it to where it fit. Okay. Okay, and then you want to get yourself, oh, I got a little body hammer here. I'm just gonna tap it down a little bit. Let's see if we can push that together. Get rid of the hammer. Okay. And you want a little bit, like I said, you want a little bit on the other side. Okay. Now, let's see. Make sure that it's pushing down. It's going, it's just going real hard. Okay. Let me finish pushing this in, we'll bring you right back. Alright YouTube, there's the final product. Well, it's not final, I'm going to give it a little paint job. We had to put a little glue. We had a crack. I used to use some tight bond and took care of the crack. Squeezed it with a clamp. Did real good. I just put that strip of steel on there and just bolted her right through the handle. Right through to the other side. And that is not going to break again. Ready for a little bit of spray paint and just to maybe seal that wood up a little bit, and should last for years to come. Maybe give it some paint. Hang on. Alright folks, that'll do it. We'll let that sit and dry in the sun for a while. Just threw some old black Rust-Oleum on things. Just some stuff that I had laying around, but that is a solid repair. It's going to sweep for a long time until the bristles completely wear out. But too expensive to throw the dumb thing away, especially when we just bought a handle. So bought a handle and then the wood gave us trouble, so we fixed it. That's how I would do it, and that's how I did do it. Take it easy. Love y'all. Thumbs up. Bye bye.